this is Coding Interview Buddy, and it's a application that's supposed to help people prepare for their coding interviews. I'm the user Hong, and my specific need is I'm preparing for an upcoming interview that mostly gives like medium difficulty questions. So just demoing the application, I'm going to choose the medium difficulty, and I think I need help with linked lists, so I'm gonna choose that. Okay, so it says I've selected the medium difficulty and linked list as the topic. Do I want to continue? So I'm going to continue, and it's showing me that it's loading, so I'm just going to wait for it. Based on these, I'm on the question refinement stage now. So I think this one's interesting, and maybe learning how to reverse the nodes in the list, or rotating by k nodes is actually pretty tricky. So those are the questions that I like. So it's loading again. Okay, so now I can choose the questions. First one is the one I chose before, giving it write a function to reverse the nodes. Write a function to delete all the nodes in the linked list that has a value greater than the given value. I think that's pretty interesting, so I'm going to choose that one. This one's kind of tricky, so I am going to ask for a hint. Let's see what that gives me. Okay, so this is a pretty good hint. I can do some comparing, but it's also not giving away the entire solution, like how to like set the head or the next pointer to the next one. So I am going to use this for my solution. Okay, so I'm actually narrating this on top of the video to keep the video a little bit shorter, but right now I'm just putting in a solution. This is a very vague solution, so I'm not sure if it's going to be right. So very poorly explained. So I check it, it's not correct because it wasn't clear enough. So I make a adjustment to it to make it a little bit better. Let's see if this one works. Okay, it's still really bad. So I'm going to make it more clear now. So it hopefully passes the solution checker. So let's check that. Okay, that one is clear enough, and now I also get the official solution. And now I am going to showcase a new user. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to choose a hard difficulty question on dynamic programming. So I'm actually pretty bad at DP, so I'm not sure if I will be able to solve the question. But going to the question refinement stage, I actually don't even have to refine the questions because that's an option to users, so I'm going to skip that. And I can just regenerate any questions I do want. So right now, these are bad questions, so I'm going to regenerate them to hopefully get some good ones, probably because I skipped the refining stage. This one looks interesting. I actually did not even know you can find the shortest path. But let's say my answer is make Sandy tell me the answer. Let's see if this is right. Okay, so my answer is wrong. I'm actually going to give up because I actually don't even know the solution. Let's see what the official solution is. Okay, so let's see. I could decompose the graph into smaller subgraphs. That makes sense because it is DP. I can use a bottom-up approach to solving the problem, starting with the smallest subgraphs and working up. Okay, that's pretty interesting. And then I can keep track of the shortest path and use the information to quickly find the shortest path. Okay, I think that makes pretty sense in terms of the logic for DP. I guess my answer is not correct, which sucks. But yeah, going to the next user now. So for this user, They want to choose a easy difficulty. And they're actually still pretty new, so they are going to choose, let's say, like strings. That's not one of the topics here. I can't even click on anymore unless I clear this, and if I type strings, it'll clear those out. So I'm gonna do strings, easy difficulty and strings. Okay. Let's see what refining questions I have. Let's see. These don't look like too good of the questions, but let's choose this one. And hopefully I get some good questions. Okay, these are pretty easy in my opinion. Let's reverse the string. And let's say, so I'm narrating this one again to save some time, but I'm trying to solve this question. And first like saying a really bad answer. So I'm asking for hints now. And that helps me a little bit. So then I am helping, or I'm making my solution more clear, and hopefully that should give me, or should be the right answer. So let's see. Okay, it is, and that is the official solution. So that's Coding Interview Buddy. It helps you practice for your upcoming coding interviews.